Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is another problem on the transfer function. This is the circuit. This is non-inverting terminal. This is inverting terminal. This point is VA, that is potential at non-inverting terminal. This is VB, potential at this is potential at non-inverting terminal, and this is potential at inverting terminal. Here IC2 is current flowing through the capacitor, and IR2 is the current flowing through the resistor R2. This is IR1, current flowing through resistor R1. Here VA is, this is inverting terminal and this is non-inverting terminal. We have to find, first we have to find V0 S by VI of S. Now let us let us apply KCL at inverting terminal of op amp. That is IR1 of S IRS is equal to IR2 into S plus IC2 into S. KCL means the summation of current entering node VA, that is current entering node VA should be equal to the summation of current leaving node VA, means the current entering node VA, that means IR1 should be equal to the current leaving node VA. This is KCL. And now we will write in Laplace domain. VI of S minus VA of S divided by R1, that is equal to VA of S minus V0 of S divided by R2 plus VA of S minus V0 of S divided by 1 by C2, because here there is capacitor, so it becomes 1 by SC2. Then for ideal op amp current at inverting terminal will be equal to current at non-inverting terminal, that will be equal to 0. Then but here these two will be equal to 0, these two I minus and I plus will be equal to 0 only when VA equal to VB, and this is called as virtual ground concept. But here VB is equal to 0. Here VB is equal to 0. But as per virtual ground concept, VA is equal to VB and that is equal to 0. Let us take this as 1, and now from 1 Vi of S divided by R1, that is equal to minus V0 of S divided by R2 minus V0 of S divided by 1 by S C2. Then Vi of S divided by R1, that is equal to minus V0 of S into 1 by R2 plus SC2 divided by 1. This goes to numerator. Then minus V0 of S plus 1 plus S R2 C2 divided by R2. If we take LCM, then V0 of S divided by Vi of S, that is minus R2 divided by 1 plus just R2 C2 into 1 by R1. Then V naught of S divided by Vi of S is equal to minus R2 by R1 into 1 by 1 plus S R2 C2, that is equal to minus K by 1 plus ST. Where K is equal to R2 by R1 and T is equal to R2 into C2. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.